Knowledge is power. France is bacon. France is bacon. With Panoramata, we're here to help you make better decisions faster. With competitive intelligence, you can take the right marketing decisions without relying on luck. By getting the right insights from your market and understanding your competitors' marketing strategies, it's going to be much easier to outperform them and create winning campaigns. You'll automatically track your competitors and turn real-time competitive insights into winning campaigns. Stop scrolling, hoping to see ads, or subscribing to hundreds of newsletters to understand what's happening in your market. If your team subscribes to everything, they won't stay on top of anything. They'll have less time to get their own strategic work done. On Panoramata, you will be able to automatically track your competitors. You'll be able to benchmark yourself against them and find ways to outperform them easily. Let us spy for you, so you can invest your time directly into creating winning campaigns and outperform your competitors.